Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So today it's our actually last modification for our fit. So we have here it's what we call spoiler wing. I just bought off Amazon, just a universal one. It doesn't have to be fancy. Like I said, that build is just a budget build. But anyway, I'm actually at work right now, but I'm done work already, so I'm just staying a bit longer to get this done or installed. So we have this two-layered spoiler, which is going to look like that. And they gave us an instruction. Unfortunately, it's in whatever writing this is. I think this is Chinese, so of course this is just China made. Anyway, it comes with these two, and I believe these are like the legs. Yes, and this. Oh, jeez, I thought we're missing the plates for the sides, but it is. Here they are. Like even the. Excuse me with my bruises. These are all bruised from playing basketball. Anyway, even the newspaper that they wrap it with is like China or Chinese newspaper. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this goes on the side like this, right? I think. Oh, must be. Oh shucks. There. Right. There, and then the other plate. Metal plate would be on top. Looks nice though, eh? Alright, let's get into it. And hopefully though, our mountain mount brackets bolts are on the, I can speak today, are on the proper spot already, so that we don't have to modify anything regarding the measurement for our bracket bolts onto our car chassis. So let's go and get this set up. Before anything else, look at this, guys. It seems like the one that they used it for was a Honda Fit. Like the one in the picture, it looks like a Fit. A Honda Fit, I mean. I don't know, I must be just mistaken, but kind of looks like it. So that's how it's gonna look with our car. It's kind of, I don't know if it's gonna be overkill, but we'll see once we get it set up or installed. Then if it's too rice, if it's gonna make me look ricer with it, I'll probably just remove it. But you can buy this off Amazon for $150 Canadian dollars. It's pretty light though. It's pretty light. So alright, let's get to it. Okay guys, we're just going through a bit of a hiccup here. So this is what I originally cut with the curve here, because the reason why I made a curve right here, itong curve, is to avoid that bolt. I don't know what you call that, but bolt right there. So our plan is to have it sit like this. However, we just needed to make a bit of modification trimming here, because if you guys could tell just by looking at it, look at the hole in the middle like this, it's not aligning. So actually I've already got the other one done, so we just needed to, this is already done, we just need to, you just take it off. So just need to adjust it like this. Sorry, I'm gonna be repainting those. Anyway, it has to be like this in the middle compared to that, right? Let's, yeah. Okay, right there. So that's the amount of cutting that we need to adjust with the other one. So let's get to it, and I guess I'll just have to bolt them on together, and let's trim it from here until we get the same size for both mount. Yeah, let's go. After a long day, we finally got it done, and it's already dark outside. We got it done. Everything is looking good, so we just have to strengthen our hole here, because we only have one bolt. I didn't want to drill into the chassis of the body of the car, because you know, it's gonna be more work, I guess, but by doing this would lessen our hassle, and I'd rather have this cheap wing damaged instead of our car, of course. And there, that's how it's gonna look. Now we just have to, like I said, strengthen and then paint our mounts that I made. So that's how it's gonna look. Looking nice, eh? Whew. I like it. Okay, now it's time to install our modified mud flaps. So this actually, I bought like a universal mud flaps because I couldn't find a specific fit for our Honda Fit. So I just bought a universal one and did cut them. So these are for the rears. Now we just need to drill holes into this for us to be able to, you know, mount them in just like this. Okay, so let's go, boys. And of course,